channel, Sleepy Holographic, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to show you how I plan to use these very large bat wind chimes from Ross to make a bat bowl. I saw this bowl from Pottery Barn online, and I loved it, but I didn't love the price. And last year I bought these from a few Rosses that I visited without really knowing exactly what to do. They turned out to be so much bigger in my house than they looked in the store. They're quite large to hang anywhere, and the wind chime part was quite annoying. They all came with long dangling spiders on chains, also made of metal. I have already taken those off but forgot to film it. But then I saw that picture of that bowl and I thought, yes, this is what I will make with it. I will make a bowl holder, or maybe like a cake stand holder or something like that. After I planned this, I bought this bat bowl from Home Goods. I did not think I would be able to find this, but they listed it online, which I'm very happy about, and it came in beautiful condition, but it's quite small. So I think that having a big one and a small one will actually go well together, especially since my theme this year is vampires, but generally in life is bats. They're my favorite animal anyway, and I have a lot of bat decor. You may have already seen my bat sconces video and my bat candelabra video, and so let's make something else with some more metal bats. What I'll be doing is taking these chains off. They are on sort of, well, they're a lot like the loops you put on a keychain. After I remove the chain, I will be stacking these bats standing up in a triangular shape like this. I will be using zip ties to go through the holes on both bats to bridge the gap. I'm using black zip ties that I don't have to paint them. Finished. You could really put anything you want on here. I have this metal bat bowl from Ross this year, and it can actually just totally sit on it like that. Beautiful. Or you could put a plate on it. These plastic plates are from Dollar Tree. This could be used as like a cake stand or a serving tray. You could also, you know, put the bowl on top of the plate, or it can be used to hold decor. Here it is with my gargoyle on it, and oh boy, that looks so good. I could see these holding two gargoyles on either side of the door. greeting trick-or-treaters. Ooh, amazing. Additionally, it could also be a candle holder. You know, put some fake candles on it. Ooh, yeah. To make it match the rest of my decor, I added red roses. I think that looks amazing. I love this. Putting an already existing candle holder on it. This one was from At Home last year. Oh, yeah. I love this. You can do anything with this stand, anything you want. Alright, so I've decided to glue on the plastic plate from Dollar Tree. I am going to just do that by putting hot glue onto the zip ties. They are plastic, so you can glue plastic to them with hot glue with no problem. Gluing directly to the metal would probably not work and be very messy, but easy to glue onto the plastic. There we go, and I'll just let it sit, and I think we have a fantastic DIY bat stand. Oh, yeah, that looks so good. And there we have it, this massive bat tray, which you can serve or decorate with as you wish. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more Halloween content, and have a great day.